Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to tackle the events exercise. Now let's begin. It says add an event called NewUserRegistered with 2 arguments. Now let's create the event right here. Let's copy the name. And it says use user as address type. So address user, then string of username. Perfect. Number 2 says emit the event with msg.sender and username as the inputs. Now let's emit the event. Emit new user registered event, and this should be the msg.sender, and this should be the new user dot username. Great. As you can see, we have created the event. We created the event right here. Now here's the keyword you use for creating an event, and here's the name of the event, and we are passing in 2 variables to the event. So the first one is a user, which is a type of address, and then the second one is a username, a type of string. And here is where we are emitting the event. We call the emit keyword the name of the event, and then we pass in the msg.sender, which is the type address right here, that is the user. And then the second one we pass in the username of the new user, which is a type of string. Perfect.